In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear icon at the top of it. Now select voice typing and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Following that, just go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on Allow while using in the pop-up and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone again. Now my favorite part, click on your microphone icon and when it's on, select tiny icon that will appear right next to it. Hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can operate microphone icon the same way. To delete text on the go, click on this button with an X. To access some available settings, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar, just hold it and drag it. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!